if you want to add sound to an Instagram story, then once you get to this page, or let's go ahead and actually create a new Instagram story. So I'll swipe that, and then I'll upload this pre-taken photo. So once you get to this part of an Instagram story, you should see the music icon here. Okay. Now once you see that music icon, tap on it, and then it's going to show you a lot of music that you can add. Okay. So you have this one selected for you based on your preferences, and then you can tap on browse and find different genres. For instance, birthday songs, date night, R&B, pop. And if you want, for instance, to look for a pop song, you have three in the preview, but if you tap on see more, you'll see a longer list of pop music. Okay. Now you can also search for a specific song using the search function here. So for instance, if I want a song like Money in the Grave, there you go. You can search for it like that, and there you go. I found it right there. So once you find the song you want, you can play it. Where the fuck? And listen to how it sounds. And if you like it, you can tap on it. Where the fuck? And it's gonna get added to your Instagram story. Now, obviously, I don't want to play it for copyright reasons. There you go. So you can hear it playing in the background, and that's how it sounds like. So you have a slider down here that you can use to slide and pick a specific part of the song that you want. Okay, so you can just move it around, listen to it, and decide if that's the part of the song you want to add to your Instagram story. Now, if you want to, you can add lyrics on the screen, and there are different ways of adding lyrics. And if you don't want to add anything, you can just leave it on like that. Okay, so once you do all that, then you can go ahead and tap on done. That's going to have added music to your Instagram story, and now you can continue with the other edits before you finally post your Instagram story. And that's that. That's basically how to add music to your Instagram story. Now, if for some reason you don't see this music icon here, then you can always tap on the stickers icon. The sticker icon is right here, so just tap on it. And in the stickers, you should see music. And if you tap on that, that's also going to take you to music, where you can add music to your Instagram story. Now, if you want to remove some music that you've added, there you can tap on the bin icon there. That's going to remove that particular song. And then now you can go ahead and add another song that you want. Okay. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.